Good morning, students. We are last class discussing about the third unit, metal around us. Okay, so the few concept if we explain for the last class. Your last class we ending the explain for the concept of molecules can be classified in. Okay, so if you then molecules which consists of only one atom, they are having for the only one atom, it's mean monoatomic molecules. Okay, for examples, if inner gas, helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, this also for a inner gas. If you are having for a single atoms only, so it's called of monoatomic molecules. Okay, and if a molecules which contains two atoms is called diatomic molecules. Di is mean two, already is explained. So mono is single, di is two, tri is three, poly is multiple. Okay, so if a diatomic molecules is mean if you having for only two atoms one. Okay, so oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen is also for if you say example for of diatomic molecules. Okay, and if you a triatomic molecules, if you then three atoms having the molecules is called triatomic molecules. If you ozone, O3, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, it's having for of three molecules only. Okay, if you have more than of three, if your molecules is consist of more than of three, is called of polyatomic molecules. If you polyatomic molecules, if you example for if you phosphorus and sulfur. Okay, some examples is given for a polyatomic molecules. Okay, now today we are discussing about molecules of elements. So what is the molecules of elements? Okay, so a molecules of elements contains of a fixed number of one type of atom if chemically combined. Oxygen, it's mean only oxygen is combined of oxygen is called of molecular of elements. Nitrogen is mean nitrogen is combined of another nitrogen is mean molecular of elements. Okay, if you are having for the same number of atoms is fixed of combining is called of molecular elements. Okay, now if we then table if we explain of for made of the two atoms for the same type of element. Okay, that's only the concept. If it's same type of elements, very important. Okay, so molecular of components, if a molecular components is consists of fixed number of different type of atoms is chemically combined. Okay, so if you extend of the concept molecular diagram, if chlorine gas, okay, Cl2, that is meaning of Cl2, 2 chlorine, the 2 chlorine is the same atom is combined. Okay, so if you then structure, if a molecular model, the ball and stick. Okay, so if a chlorine of molecules. Okay, if you then structure of the chemical components structure, if a chlorine of gas, oxygen gas, if oxygen gas O2, so the two oxygen is combining of each other, so it's called the same number of elements. Okay, the element also the oxygen molecules. Nitrogen gas N2, the nitrogen gas N2 is combining of the two nitrogen atoms. Okay, and it's called for molecular of molecular of elements. Okay, so molecular of elements. So and if you then topic is mistakenly is printed. If you then molecular components not, it's a molecular element. Okay, it's a molecular element. So for examples, if next topic is also for the different only for molecular elements. If your molecular elements, if you're having for of each molecules contains of one oxygen atom and the two hydrogen atom. So one oxygen atom is a two hydrogen atom. For examples of water, for examples, let us look the model of the water molecules. H2O, okay, one oxygen, the two one oxygen, if you two hydrogen atoms combining of each other. Okay, it's called of is example of molecular of components. Okay, so is the definition also for the same explain. If you each molecules of water is contains of one oxygen and then two hydrogen of atom, the ratio of oxygen and hydrogen atoms remain fixed. It's not for the variation. If you always water, it's mean H2O, two hydrogen one oxygen combining is given for enough water, that is a fixed of value. So this is a principle supplied of molecule of all components. Okay, now if you then some examples of molecular of components. If a molecular diagram, carbon dioxide is means CO2. Okay, so if you have CO2, if you C is a carbon and oxygen is the two side. Okay, so if you combining of the components, if you then structure, okay, two oxygen one carbon. Okay, so two oxygen one carbon and ammonia. So NH3, so the molecular formula for ammonia NH3. So NH3 is mean the N if is central position, H if is in a different position of having. So is an ammonia, is a molecular structure ammonia for this type only. Okay, and then hydrogen chloride. Okay, hydrogen chloride, HCl. Okay, so HCl, if you are combining of chlorine and hydrogen, so there is a molecular of then position. Okay, so if you then bismuth, if you're using of the bismuth, if a diarrhea of medicines, if the bismuth is an elements, if other occur then naturally it is combined with the other elements making of medicines of treating of diarrhea. Okay, so is an one element is using for of medical points also. Okay, so configuration of matter, what is the atom, what is the molecule, what is the element, what is the components, what is the chemical formula and chemical symbol also is explained here. Okay, single if a element, if a atom, a smallest particle is an element. Okay, so if a chemically, if a simplest substance is maybe broken, it is called enough atom, is already explained of definition. And what is a molecular are made of then made of atoms. Okay, so if you one or two are atoms is combined is called enough molecular. Okay, if the chemical formula is also explained here. Okay, and if you components, the two or more elements is chemically is bonded it's together is called enough components. Okay, hydrogen and water H2O is also components only. Okay, so if is a chemical formula, okay, the chemical formula CH3COOH. Okay, CH3COOH is mean if is an carbon 3 hydrogen and then carbon of 2 oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, so if a chemical of structure is formula is already given, and chemical symbol is an benzene shape. Okay, C6H6, C6H6 is mean if it is 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Okay, so if it is hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if it is carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6, that only then explain a concept of benzene shape of from C6H6 also. Okay, and if in classification of matter. Okay, and then classification of matter, matter is classified into the two broad categories, namely if it is a pure suspend and mixed pure suspend. Okay, further if it is divided in the two categories as elements and components. Okay, so if it is two namely if the matter is explain the two concept only, if you pure suspend and mixed. Okay, so in another type the pure substance may be then further up to divided in categories of elements and components. Okay, so the pure substance may be then explained as the two concept if is then divided of two concept of elements and components. What is the element? Okay, matter, it is in the simplest form is called as an element. We are using of many elements in our daily life. If a common salt, if you're using of in our home daily, common salt is containing the element of sodium and chlorine. Okay, so sodium and chlorine. If we are using of formula, if okay, so if you sodium chlorine NaCl. Okay, so if you're using of NaCl, if a normal salt. Okay, and water is contains of hydrogen and oxygen H2O, magnesium and phosphorus used in of making of crack. Okay, so if a sulfur is used for mention of agriculture, if a gallium is used for making of mobile phones, and silicon used in making of computers. Okay, so it's also for element. Okay, some element of using of daily life. There are then 118 of elements now that date. Okay, now we done 119 also. Okay, 94 is element is naturally explained. With the 24 or 25 elements is be created of artificially in a laboratory. Okay, so very important concept. If you 118 elements is still a date now we now discovered. Okay, 94 elements is having for only naturally is naturally, and 24 elements is created for off in the lab of laboratory. Okay, and is called the artificial of atoms. Okay, so is called of element. Okay, so and classification of elements, there are we are then classification of elements the broadly in the two. Okay, so what is the two? Metals and non-metals, and metals based and then chemical of properties. Okay, so if you then metals and non-metals, there are the two types of classification of the elements, metals and non-metals. Okay, The Robert Boyle is the first scientist used of term of element, who is initially first using of word is element, if a Robert Boyle. And early then properties of elements, nature of matter and nature of vacuum, he was in Boyle of Boyle's law. Okay, he is an invented the concept that the nature of element and nature of vacuum, that is a concept. Okay, metals. So what is the metals? Okay, we have the tools and tools and then jewelry and then silver, copper and iron, gold, aluminum using of pressure in hammering and rolling. Okay, so daily our life using for of tools and jewelry, if we made of then silver, copper, iron, gold, aluminum. Okay, and using then pressure of hammering and then rolling, we can determine the materials of various shape. If you are using of jewels, it's not your same shape. If a different shape, okay, is an hammering and the rolling of rolling is easily flexibly, if you're changing of then whatever you need the shape, if you're changing then that shape. Okay, now such elements that are malleable if the material if you pack it into the sheets and variation shape is called of metals. Okay, so if you whatever you need the shape, that shape if you then changing the material is called of metals. Metals are generally the hard and the shiny of elements. So sodium is one of the expressions of the soft. Okay, all the metals is except mercury or solids or okay, mercury or solids are room temperature only. If you have mercury or metals liquid at room temperature. Metal, one more question. If a mercury is also metal, but in a room temperature is only the metal. If you suppose if you increase the temperature, is having the liquid only. Metals are mellables of can be then bent and beaten into the sheet. Okay, they cannot be then drawn in wires. There are the good conductors and heat electricity, copper, lead, tin, nickel, iron, zinc, gold, magnesium, and calcium is examples of metals. Some examples, okay. And then if a metals of using of concept, okay. So it's also for a very important of concept. Okay. Next class we discussing about non-metals also. Okay. And thank you.